Exploring the unknown has always been a driving force of humanity. After 300 days of focused development, Hessian Matrix proudly introduces two new SLAM camera products from the RoboBaton Series. Building on the proven legacy of the first-generation Viobot, RoboBaton is fully upgraded, delivering wider, more stable, and more accurate 3D perception. The mini lens module features a precision-engineered design. For the first time, metal reinforcement is built into the spatial computing module. Deformation resistance is increased by 245%. The stereo baseline extends to 60 mm, matching human eye spacing. An upgraded fisheye lens delivers a 78% wider field of view. Mini is powered by the domestic K1 chip, the world's first RISC-V-based spatial computing module. Mini delivers reliable performance even underwater. The pure module weighs only 17 grams, making it ideal for lightweight odometry applications. Viobot 2 uses the same lens module as Mini, and the 3588 processor for exceptional performance. With dual-frequency GNSS, the system provides stable decimeter-level positioning indoors and outdoors. It also supports RTK fusion, enabling even higher positioning accuracy. Hessian Matrix's stereo vision algorithms ensure high precision, consistent imaging, even at high speed or in complex lighting. A deep learning-based vision algorithm generates depth maps up to 240p, with greater stability than traditional methods. Spatial localization and depth perception are now achieved simultaneously. Viobot 2 features a proprietary 3D reconstruction algorithm, processing up to 9 times faster, without a high-performance PC. Today, RoboBaton already shows strong potential across industries. We look forward to exploring intelligent technology with more partners.